What's up, laggers? How you doing all? Are you doing well? Alright. Now I have S20 Plus and Note 20 Ultra. Note 20 Ultra have One UI 2.5 and S20 Plus has One UI 2.1. Today I'm going to show you around the features which you will get in One UI 2.5. As probably all of you know that One UI 2.5 is rolling out. I think it is worth waiting. I will show you around the new features. And also do not forget to subscribe my channel, be part of our journey. Let's start. In One UI 2.1 we liked a lot. It was based on Android 10. There were cool features like music share, quick share. It was fun. We still get in One UI 2.5. As we all know, sometimes Samsung just kills some features in an update. It's quite surprise, right? It is quite surprising. Sometimes surprisingly Samsung left behind some cool features. It is not the case in One UI 2.5. We'll discuss later. I have been using my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra for few days. I think One UI 2.5 is a little buggy here. Sometimes I had a problem in a touch screen. I hope in next update will be like it will be solved. Let's see. In coming days I will be making a game review in this device. Stay tuned, guys, and next video I will be making a full review of Galaxy Buds Live. Stay tuned. In One UI 2.5 is not much updates from One UI 2.1. Let's say it is a fine-tuned version of One UI 2.1. I really like this updates on camera, especially for pro video mode. As you can see, there is not much more updates on settings, especially in the video settings. You can find you can shoot 8K in 24 FPS. I think 24 FPS is quite welcome. I especially welcome this one. I really like shooting in a 24 FPS. I will talk about these things in the full review video of Note 20 Ultra camera. Now we will be able to film in 24 FPS. It is very important to capture cinematic format. It's quite good. But you cannot change so much things in pro video sites, pro video settings in One UI 2.1. There is actually no option to change anything. Here you can see side-by-side comparison on the camera settings. It's almost the same. You can compare side by side. Very sad news for the gamers. So there is no game plugins. We really liked in One UI 2.1. So basically now you cannot get game plugins, Game Booster Plus it's quite surprised. I don't know why they didn't give us in One UI 2.5. Now it's locked in. Now we cannot use it. I tried to download APK from Google Chrome and it's not possible to install. I hope they will listen and probably they might give us in the future. We really like game plugins. Samsung, why you do like this? I really don't understand. But you can use always GFX tool, and also stay tuned. I will be making a full review of gaming and I will give you lots of tips and tricks. Android 10 brought full screen gesture cool feature from iOS. In One UI 2.1 it was not possible to use full screen gesture in the third-party launcher. It's good news that now we can use it in third-party launcher in One UI 2.5. Now we are able to turn our Samsung to any device. Later I will turn my Note 20 Ultra into iPhone 12. Make sure you watch all the video how I turn my Note 20 Ultra into iPhone 12. Let's change our Samsung into iPhone.